Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Palworld server with a server provider like us or for free on your own. First option is simple. You can go to our website, which is www.survivalservers.com. Once on our website, there's a few ways to order the server. The first way is you can click the pre-order server button right here on our landing page on the Palworld slider, which we'll demonstrate here. And it brings you to our order page. Or you can go to the Game Servers tab, navigate down to Palworld, and then scroll down to the order button. At the time of this video, it will say pre-order now. Now, there are a few ways to create an account and deploy a game server. First, with a social media account, either Google or Twitch, you can click the buttons here. Secondly, you can fill out the form manually. Select the location. We'd recommend choosing one closest to you, but for a game like Palworld, any remotely close location will do. Then you want to select the number of game servers you'd like to deploy and the slots. Slots are basically the number of players you can have on the game server at any given time. For a game like Palworld, we recommend 16. Select the billing cycle in the map, and then follow the order process to enter your payment information. Once your payment is accepted, you will see a creation message while your game server is being deployed. Now you can navigate to your game servers page, and you'll see your game server listed there. You'll want to click on it, and you'll be brought to the control panel. From here, you can begin to configure the game server how you'd like. For the sake of this video, we will just quickly change the title and add a server password. There are a bunch of other features that we won't dive into on this video, but stay tuned for more. Typically, after adding this, you would then click on the green Save Settings and Restart Game Server button, but being we're still in the pre-orders, that button is locked. It will unlock Friday morning. So that's how you create a game server with us. Now we're going to go over how you would create a game server at home on your computer for free. Go to our wiki and then scroll down to the Palworld section and click the Server Setup Guide. As Palworld has not been released, we've created a fairly generic catch-all guide, and it will be updated the morning of release of the dedicated server files. For now, I can walk you through how to get started on your home computer, and once the files are released, you can update the Steam app ID with the correct one. The first step is confirming the system requirements and making sure that they can handle the additional load of running a game server. The next step is to acquire Steam CMD. You'll use this program to download and obtain all of the server files. You can get it from Valve's website. Once you've downloaded the folder and moved it to your desktop or wherever your server is, you're going to create a new folder. We're going to call it Palworld. Inside of the Palworld folder, we're going to create another folder called Steam CMD. Inside of the Steam CMD folder, you're going to open up the zip file you got from Steam and then install the Steam CMD.exe file in there. You'll then double click on it to allow it to download all of the Steam CMD files and populate the directory. The next step is to create a batch file. Inside the batch file, you'll put this code here. A batch file is simply a file that can run programs with your own commands. We're going to name this file install.bat. Next, open install.bat with your preferred text editor and paste the code from our wiki into the file. Now, because Palworld has not yet released, we do not have the updated app ID for the dedicated server repo. Once that releases on Friday, we'll update our wiki with this information. Now that the install.bat file is created, you would then double click on this file and allow Steam CMD to download the server files to your desired directory. Now that the files have installed on your home computer, you're going to create a start.bat, which is just another batch file very similar to the install batch file that you made earlier. The difference is this file will start your server. Once you've created the file and added the code from our wiki, you can then double-click this file to start up your server. You can join your server through the in-game server list or directly via Steam servers if Palworld supports this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you folks on launch day.